week number 1 of 5 weeks of country swing and two-step. This is our first week of two-step. We learned our basic footwork in place and traveling. We learned basic footwork with our partner, and we started to work on a outside turn for the follow. So I'm gonna have Amy here is gonna be the follow. She's gonna lead with her right leg. I'm gonna lead with my left as a lead, and we're gonna counter it up. We can use words or we can use numbers, and I'm gonna go 5, 6, 7, 8. Quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow. So we're gonna travel towards the camera. You ready to travel? Let's do it. Quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow. And let's travel backwards, Amy, shall we? 6, 7, 8. Quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow. Now we're gonna partner up. Okay, in closed position. Hands on the mid-back near the shoulder blade. And we're in a straight, staggered position, moving in a counterclockwise direction. I'm gonna go quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we're gonna stop and attempt, attempt an outside turn. We'll do it without moving first. We'll do one basic in place. Quick, quick, slow, slow, and then quick, quick, slow, slow. And then we're gonna move with it. Quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow. And that is your week 1 tutorial. Thank you, Amy.